Limited, established in 2009, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of stainless steel vacuum bottle, flask, mug, and food jar. We specialize in the production of 1810 stainless steel, mirror surface electrolysis, ultra-lightweight vacuum flask and bottles. We are located in Zhejiang, Yongkang, with modern production sites, facilities, and a 16,000 square meters production base. We have 230 well-trained staff, and daily output can reach 40,000 pieces. A QC team of over 30 employees guarantees strict quality standards in the production process. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including ultra-light spinning machine, laser welding machine, CNC lathe, along with a well-equipped lab, including standard light source box, color difference meter, furnace thermometer, constant temperature and humidity machine, oven, dishwasher, drop meter, salt spray tester, wear-resisting tester, torque machine. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001, BSCI, FDA, LFGB, Disney, FAMA certificates. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you could talk to us about your sourcing requirements. With thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction.